Today I want to talk about the book The Remains of the Day by Kazuo Ishiguro. It's impossible to find the words to describe this book. The message of letting the one you love slip away and never to have shared that feeling with that special someone is given subtly in this book, and it is only suggested. But when you as a reader find it out, the only feeling you get is a lump in your throat and a knot in your stomach. The Remains of the Day is a first person narration of an English butler named Stevens. In July of 1956, Stephen decided to take a 6-day road trip to the west country of England, which is a region to the west of Darlington Hall. Now, Stephen has been working and residing at Darlington Hall as a butler for the past 34 years. Darlington Hall was previously under the ownership of a lord named Lord Darlington, who has now died. He was a Nazi sympathizer, but after his death, the ownership has changed hands to an American gentleman named Mr. Faraday. The purpose of Stephen's trip is to meet with Mrs. Kenton, who was the previous housekeeper at Darlington Hall, but who left over 20 years ago to get married. Now, Stephen says that after World War II, it has become difficult to find enough number of people to manage a large manor as big as Darlington Hall. Now, much of the narrative is comprised of Stephen's memories of his work as a butler before, during, and after World War II. He talks about his contemporaries, his devotion to his lord, his father, his professional dignity, the important events during his tenure, and so on. Now we get an image of a man who's desperately trying to keep a lid on his emotions. It's like everything that he stood for, it's gone and crumbled just in a moment. All we can think of is what could have been. This book will tug at your heartstrings. The writing in this book is enough to make a grown man cry. I was going to post this video 2 days ago, but the entire process of thinking and coming up with a way to talk about this book has been so difficult. It's such an impeccable book that I don't want to spoil it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and you can read my blog post on my website as well. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. See you!